वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Imagine you are in a dark room, struggling to find your way. Suddenly you switch on a flashlight and everything becomes clear. Now think of your mind as that dark room full of worry, stress, confusion. The name of Vaheguru is the flashlight that instantly brings light, clarity, and peace. Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at Ang 601 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and this reminds us of how staying connected with Vaheguru transforms everything. सोरठ महला तीजा हर जियो तुदनो सदा सालाही प्यारे जिच्चर कट अंतर है सासा. This is so beautiful. Dear beloved Lord, I praise you continually as long as there is the breath within my body. Guruji further says, एक पल खिन विसरे तू स्वामी जानो बरस पचासा, which means if I were to forget you for a moment, even for an instant, oh Lord Master, it would be like 50 years for me. So Guruji says that if I forget you even for one moment, it feels like 50 years of suffering. Now let's see how remembering Vaheguruji's name actually helps in our real life. So first is instant stress relief. There is an immediate stress relief when we chant Vaheguru. When we chant Vaheguru, our nervous system calms down. Now science calls this the relaxation response, a state where the body shifts from stress mode to calm mode, means fight or flight mode to rest and digest mode. Now this does have a scientific proof as well. Studies show that chanting any positive mantra, including Vaheguru Simran, reduces stress hormones like cortisol and increases happiness hormones like serotonin and dopamine. So next time, if you are stuck in a traffic jam or you are having some stressful day, try chanting Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru softly or any other mantra where you believe in. You'll feel the difference. Then chanting Vaheguruji's name increases mental clarity and focus. Have you noticed how some of the monks and saints or even some of the people from our lives, they seem so peaceful? Now it's because their minds are less cluttered. When we chant Vaheguru, our mind stops running in the multiple directions and comes to the present moments. Now this too has a scientific proof. Research from neuroscience shows that repeating a mantra increases alpha waves in the brain, which are linked to relaxation and clear thinking. Students who do Simran before studying find that they remember things better and stay focused for a longer time. If you are struggling with distractions, try saying Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru for 2 minutes before starting the work. And the third is that chanting does give strength in tough times. Life is unpredictable. We all face moments of loss, betrayal, health issues, financial stress. What gives people the strength to handle while such breakdowns come? That is their spiritual connection. Even doctors confirm that patients who practice faith and meditation recover faster than those who don't. Now, do you know that even water molecules change their structure when exposed to positive words? A Japanese scientist, Dr. Masaru Emoto, conducted an experiment where he spoke different words to water and then froze the water molecules. Water exposed to prayers, mantras, and kind words formed beautiful and symmetrical crystals. Water exposed to angry, negative words formed distorted and broken shapes. Now think about this. Our body is 70% water. If chanting positive words can change water molecules, imagine what chanting Vaheguru does to our mind and body. So, my dear friends, for next 3 days, try this. Say Vaheguru softly when you wake up. Before sleeping, repeat Vaheguru 10 times. Whenever you feel anxious or restless, close your eyes and do Simran for 2 minutes. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Notice how you feel after 3 days and then you can continue it. You'll start seeing a shift. More peace, less stress, and a stronger sense of clarity. So the choice is yours. Live life feeling empty and restless, or stay connected and experience inner strength and peace. Even saying Vaheguru once with love can change so many things. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।